The Samsung Pro Endurance MicroSD card range gives you long-lasting performance, continuously recording up to 25 times longer than speed-focused cards. For example, one single 128GB Pro Endurance card lasts as long as 25 128GB Evo Plus cards, meaning you don't have the hassle of continuously replacing them for long recording requirements, making them super reliable too. In fact, one 128GB Pro Endurance card will record up to 43,800 hours of recording, which is equivalent to 5 years. So it's the perfect card for a variety of uses, including always-on devices, such as surveillance cameras, dash cams and body cams, as well as capturing large video files on a drone, or for a professional camera recording high-quality footage on location at 4K or Full HD. Named the Endurance range due to their ability to withstand and give maximum performance at a variety of temperatures from -25°C right through to 85°C. These cards can also last up to 72 hours in seawater. Not only that, but they're magnet proof up to 15,000 Gauss, which is equivalent to an MRI scanner, and they're X-ray proof up to the equivalent of an airport X-ray machine. These are seriously robust and reliable cards. The Pro Endurance range handles large video files quickly and seamlessly, with read speeds of up to 100 megabits per second and write speeds of 30 megabits per second. If you compare that to around 20 megabits per second read and write speeds for other brands, it's easy to see why these cards are a top choice for a variety of situations where long-lasting performance, speed and reliability are key. Get yours now at scan.co.uk.